Hi, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt again. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 5. And our objective is I can determine which stick of cubes is longer or shorter than the other. We're going to start off our lesson with some 5-group hands. So I want you to put out 5. And then how many are over here? 1. 5 on one side, 1 on the other. So we have 5 and then 6. Okay. When you know this one, put those hands up. You got 5. And how many on the other side? 1, 2. So let's count up. 5, 6, 7. Nice job. We've got 5. And how many on the other side? 1, 2, 3. See? 1, 2, 3. So let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we've got how many on this side? 5. And how many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 5. And look at these groups look equal. How many do you think are on the other side? 5, but let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Now we're going to use our dot path. And look at something changes here. Yes, the dots get darker. So how many light gray dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's circle 5. Okay, let's go to our next one. Oh. Now I want you to look at 6. I want you to point at the 6th dot. So we know this is 5. Count up one more, 6. So we can circle 6. Good job. Now we need to circle 7. So we jump. We know this is 5. 6, 7. Oh my gosh, you guys are getting so fast. Where do I jump to? And how many is that? It's 5, and we got to go up to 8. 6, 7, 8. Now jump. How many is that again? From here to here? It's 5. We've got to go up to 9, so count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got to jump. That's how many? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got to circle all 10. So, what we can do and what your mind is going to start to do is subitize. You're going to be able to see a number of dots, a number of fingers, a number of lines, anything. And your brain is just going to know what we're doing. So that's what we're going to start getting in the habit of doing. We can tell with this dot path that these dots go lighter to darker, right? And we counted this on the first one and it was 5. So every time we saw that, our brain was like, it's 5. And then if I asked you to circle 6 dots, you were able to just jump one and know that was 6. You were able to count on. Good job. Okay, now we're going to start diving into that lesson, or our lesson for the day. I'm sorry. And we are going to start by finding our 5 stick. Now remember, when we made our tower up to 10, after 5, we started doing the blue on the bottom. So if we started doing the blue on the bottom after 5, right here, Where would our 5 stick be? Yes, right here. Let's just count to make sure though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to pull this out because we're going to do a lot of comparison, or comparing, not comparison, comparing to our 5 stick. So now we have to find our 2 stick. What's an easy way we can do this? Are we going to start at this end? No, we know 2 is a smaller number, so we can start right here. So we have 1, and then if we go over here, we have 1, 2. I'm going to put these next to each other. What do you notice? Is the 5 stick longer or shorter than the 2 stick? Yes, it's longer. So what we could say is my 5 stick is longer than my 2 stick, or we could say something else. Think about it. If we just said my 5 stick is longer than my 2 stick, how could we switch that sentence? My 2 stick is what? Shorter than my 5 stick. Awesome job. Let's go to our next one. We're going to pull that 5 stick back out. And now we have to find the 4 stick. Can you help me? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like how we just counted up like stairs because we know they're in order all the way to 10. So we can just hop and count up as we go. Now, I want you to pause me and I want you to think of the 2 sentences we could say about these sticks. We're going to say, my blank stick is longer than my blank stick. And then we're going to switch it and say my blank stick is shorter than my blank stick. Go ahead, think about those and come back. All right. So let's start with the longer one. My what stick is longer? My 5 stick is longer than my 4 stick, which makes sense because 5 is bigger than 4. So we have one more cube on top, right? See? One more cube on the 5 stick. What about, how can we switch that sentence? My what stick? My 4 stick is what? Shorter or longer? Shorter than my 5 stick. Okay, let's count up the ladder and pull out that 5 stick again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need a 7 stick. So we were at 5 here. 6, 7. Wow, I'm going to actually have to move this down here. Look at these. What sentences would we say about this, starting with the 5 stick? My 5 stick, is it shorter or longer than my 7 stick? Shorter. So, my 5 stick is shorter than my 7 stick. Or we could say my 7 stick is what? Longer or shorter than my 5 stick? Longer than my 5 stick. By how many? How many cubes longer is that 7 stick? Well, here's where they are equal. So count up from where they're equal. 1, 2. So my 7 stick is 2 cubes longer than my 5 stick. Okay, are you ready for this challenge? We have to pull out that 5 stick first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need a 9 stick. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh. I want you to think of the 2 sentences we would use and then figure out how much longer our 9 stick is than our 5 stick. Go ahead. I'm so glad you're back. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out our sentences. So my 5 stick is what to my 9 stick? Shorter than my 9 stick. And my 9 stick is what to my 5 stick? Longer, yes. How much longer is my 9 stick than my 5 stick? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you guys are already going ahead here, then ahead of our objective. So if you're confused by how we're figuring out how much longer it is, that's okay. We still have time to learn that, but I'm just trying to get a head start because you guys are so smart. So what I do is I go to the point where they're equal, and then I count up on the one that's longer. So they're equal here, and I count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to keep working on that, but it's just a little bit of a challenge, okay? So before we leave each other today, I'm going to talk about something. Do we see a stick that is shorter than the one stick? No, because if we have 1 and we take that away, we'd have how many? None. Do you see a stick that's longer than the 10 stick? No. And that's because we're only working with numbers 1 through 10 right now. We're going to get to those teen numbers and those higher numbers, but right now we're only working through 1 through 10. But you know how you told me that our 5 stick, and let me pull it out, is shorter than, let's say, our 9 stick? Would it matter if I flipped these sticks upside down, sideways? Would that matter? Would that change the length? Let's try it. Okay, so I'm going to move this. It will let me. I'm going to move it sideways, because maybe that changes the length, right? Before we said that our 5 stick was shorter than our 9 stick, and now what do we think? I turned it sideways. Is our 5 stick still shorter than our 9 stick? Is this stick still shorter than this? Yeah, we can't change the length of something unless we break it apart in some way. And that would affect our what? Accuracy, right? We don't want to do that. So today we compared our 5 stick with numbers 1 through 10. And you guys did an awesome job. I love how we're starting to count up. I love how we're starting to recognize and subitize a group of 5. You guys are getting really good at that, and I'm really proud of that. I also love how you're starting to think about how many more we have when something's longer. Because eventually we're going to think about how many more, but we're also going to start to figure out how many less. So we're going to look at this 9 stick and say, or we're going to look at this 5 stick and say, how many cubes less is that than the 9 stick? And we're going to be able to figure that out. So this is going to build onto some of your addition and subtraction that you're going to learn, which is super cool. I hope you had a wonderful time. I look forward to seeing your exit tickets, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day, kindergarten.